So when you say new types of manufacturing, do you think there are lots of new people coming into the industry, like questioning the way things were done and looking at a new type of automation, a new type of building, a new type of material to use as well?
Certainly is some of that. I think it's going to be more evolutionary than revolutionary, though,
You think so?
because construction, by nature, both the industry and its designers and its regulators take a conservative view. You don't want to take a chance with putting up a bridge or a building that is going to collapse and risk killing lots of people or really disrupting traffic flows or the economy and so forth. So we'll be taking things, or companies will be taking things one step at a time, but that doesn't mean they've closed off the chance of innovation. I think we're seeing a great deal of that being tried out and designed for the future.
There's so many people out there that have identified all these problems in the construction industry, and over the last 2 years, they want to disrupt it. That's the big word right now. Tech is going to disrupt the construction industry, and they come and face all these people and these old school companies that are like, no, 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 we'll show you how slow we can actually move.
Is there an example of another industry that has gone through that phase where they were very unaccepting of change and have now evolved and are much more progressive?
I feel like the agriculture industry, I keep going back to that because I see so many parallels between the agriculture industry and the construction industry, and that mass exodus from the agriculture industry and severe labor shortage caused them to automate. They had to just give up, no more hand tools, and they just innovated, and now almost the entire process is automated.
I feel like automation is the answer in construction.
And the other parallel between agriculture and construction is the dealing with natural elements and Mother Nature and its unpredictability. That is a huge hurdle that they have managed to overcome. It's very impressive with drones and sensors and soil, like they get into the chemistry of the soil and figure out how to get the output that they need.